Ever wonder why everyone seems to be talking about Bitcoin? What makes this digital currency so special? Let's break it down. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency, which means it exists only in the digital world with no physical form. Yes, you heard it right. It's like having your money, but in a virtual format. It's also known as a cryptocurrency, hinting at its encrypted, secure nature. But what sets Bitcoin apart? Unlike traditional currencies that we use, Bitcoin operates independently of a central bank. This means that no government, bank, or third party has control over it. So, how do you use it? Bitcoin transactions take place directly between users. That's right, no middlemen. This peer-to-peer network is revolutionary and gives you full control over your money. Imagine having your own bank in your pocket. That's Bitcoin for you. Now you're probably thinking, how does Bitcoin work without a central authority? Well, the secret sauce behind Bitcoin's decentralized nature is something called blockchain technology. Picture blockchain as a public ledger, a sort of digital diary that records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made, right from the start of Bitcoin's creation. Every time a Bitcoin changes hands, the transaction details, who sent it, who received it, the amount, are all recorded on this ledger. And this is not just an ordinary ledger kept in a dusty corner of a bank. This is a widely distributed ledger, spread across countless computers or nodes all around the world. Each of these nodes has a copy of the entire blockchain, and every time a new transaction occurs, it's broadcasted to the whole network. The nodes then work together to verify the transaction, making sure it's legit. If the majority of nodes agree that everything's in order, the transaction is approved, and a new block, containing that transaction and many others, is added to the chain. Now you might be asking, what's stopping someone from tampering with these records? The beauty of the blockchain is that once a block is added to the chain, it's nearly impossible to change. Each block is linked to the one before and the one after it, creating a chain of blocks. Altering one would require changing every single block that comes after it, which is practically impossible given the vast number of nodes involved in the process. This ingenious setup provides unprecedented transparency and security. Everyone can see the transactions, but no one can alter them. It's like a glass bank vault that everyone can peer into, but no one can break into. And that's not all. The use of cryptography ensures that the identities of the people involved in the transactions are secure. While the transaction itself is transparent, the identities of the people involved are represented by unique cryptographic codes, preserving their anonymity. In short, blockchain is the backbone of Bitcoin, ensuring every transaction is safe and transparent. You might be asking, why should I care about Bitcoin? Well, there's a multitude of reasons why Bitcoin is a significant game changer. For starters, it has the potential to offer high returns as an investment. By virtue of its decentralized nature and finite supply, Bitcoin has seen tremendous growth over the years. But it's not just about the returns. Bitcoin offers a new way to perform online transactions. With Bitcoin, you can send and receive money from anywhere in the world without the need for a middleman. This makes it a very practical solution for those who don't have access to traditional banking systems. Most importantly, Bitcoin's value is not influenced by government policies or the economy of any specific country. This means that it can serve as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. In short, Bitcoin isn't just another currency. It's a revolution, challenging our traditional understanding of money and financial systems. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's a revolution in the financial world. So, are you ready to join the Bitcoin revolution? We've journeyed through the world of Bitcoin, understanding its core concepts and how it operates. We've discovered that Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency, it's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the way we handle money. Powered by blockchain technology, Bitcoin offers transparency, security, and a decentralized system, making it a standout in today's digital age. It's no longer just a buzzword, but a significant part of our financial future. It's a new way of thinking about money and transactions, and it's here to stay. As we navigate the digital landscape, understanding Bitcoin becomes less of a choice and more of a necessity. So why not take the leap today? Start your journey into the world of Bitcoin and see where it takes you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-understand tech content. Remember, understanding Bitcoin is your first step into the future of finance.